Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is the day we're putting on that Carven exhaust. Carven engraved in it. Look at that. All the parts I need to put it on. And all it asks for, a couple of sockets. That's it. Got the bad boy tips right there. But first, let's turn around. Truck's been sitting here for a while. Let's go ahead and do a nice cold start. Alright, let's get this bad boy inside the garage, lift it up, and let's start taking off this old exhaust. Alright guys, finally got done with the exhaust. It was a little pain in the butt, had to cut it, but finally got it on. Here, let's take a look. Look at that. Nice and pretty. Look at that Carven right on top of it. Blacked out tips, powder coated. Alright, it's the moment that we all been waiting for. Cold start. And that, my friends, is a Carven exhaust. It sounds like a monster. I'm loving it. I can't wait to get out on the road. So let me get it down off the jacks, put everything away. We'll go for a little ride in it. All right, guys. Now I got it all down, ready to go. Let's go give it another start. With it off the lift and everything. Dude, it sounds so nice. Love it. I am very happy with this. Let's go take it for a spin. Here you go. Listen. It just rumbles. Alright, we're backing it out of the garage. Let's take it up the street. Get nasty with it. Yes, this sounds so nasty. I'm trying to keep it quiet. My neighbors are gonna be so pissed at me, especially when I leave for work at 2 o'clock in the morning. Get a cold start on them. All right, let's listen to it. All right, here we go. It is. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm not sponsored by Carven whatsoever. I did my research on what exhaust I wanted to get for my Ram, and that's the Carven is the one I went to, and I am very satisfied with my purchase. So if you guys are looking to get an exhaust here in the future, I recommend looking up Carven. So, alright guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram, and also we are on Facebook. Look us up. More great content coming this year. I told you it's going to be a big year for All Things Fast. Alright guys, make sure you guys stay humble.